In this video, I will tell you how to send customized messages on WhatsApp to a bulk number of users using an Excel sheet. Let me show you how it will work. This is an Excel sheet with 6 members. Each row contains a name, designation, mobile number, message, and send WhatsApp column. You can create your own Excel sheet with your own requirements. When I click on the Send Now link, it will open WhatsApp and open the particular contact provided in the Excel sheet, automatically writing the message provided in the Excel sheet. All you need to do is click on the Send button, and that message will be sent to that particular contact in WhatsApp. Let me show you another example. Again, click on the Send Now link. Similarly, it will open the particular contact and automatically write the message. Let's start our video. First of all, make sure you have installed the WhatsApp application on your computer. I have already installed it, so I have opened it. Connect with your mobile WhatsApp by scanning the QR code. Open a new Excel sheet. I will create a few columns as per my requirement. You can create your own based on your needs. Write down some data in this sheet. If the mobile number column is changing the mobile format, then set the column format to text as I am doing. Let's add a new column and name it Designation. We will write a customized message, so it may remain dynamic. Let's suppose we want to send the message, Mr. Murtaza, then his designation assistant, then the message, you have to attend the meeting tomorrow. We will be happy to see you in the meeting. Customize the message as I am doing. Hold and drag down. It will automatically write the same formatted message for other rows. Let's create the Send Now link. Please note down this line of code. This will take us to the WhatsApp application. Write the same code as I am writing. Remember not to change any single character, otherwise it may not work. The link has been created. Click Send Now. See, it automatically opened the WhatsApp app, opened the particular contact, and wrote the message. We only need to click on Send, and it's done. Hold and drag down to do the same for other rows. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thanks for watching.